Welcome back to Diana's channel. Guys, let me show you the space right now. There's a bit of work that's going on, so bear with me. So we're in the living room. So I'm going to take you right upstairs. So I'm heading upstairs to look at the bedrooms. And it's 3 bedrooms en suite. I like it going up. Yeah. Who do we have here? Hold up, please. My audience have met, they know Dennis, but they don't know you. Our workmen today. Ghis, yep. Welcome to Dennis' channel. Say hi to my peeps in the global space. Yep. Guys, Ghis is Dennis' partner in the business. Yes? Yeah. And Ghis, you're from Benin?
Benin Republic, yes, that's right.
So what would I call you? Beninese? Is that it?
Beninese.
Beninese?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, fantastic. And Benin is in West Africa. Yes. So you're good to go. So
just after Togo.
Just after Togo. Okay, so these are the guys, you're looking at 2 bosses here, So you're going to some work. Yeah. Okay. I'm right behind you.
Yeah. Come on.
And guys, Ghis also lived in the UK. Ghis, how long you lived in the UK for?
A long time, long enough.
Long enough. Okay. So as you can see, they're going to be spreading the bed, right? They're doing some work. Guys, and this will be the master bedroom?
Yeah, this is the master suite.
Master suite.
Yes.
Okay. AC, all the rooms are AC.
Yes. Yep.
Guys, and in addition, we have the ceiling fan. So let me just show you. And this is a nice size bed.
Air conditioning?
Yes, I pointed that out. And here we have a bathroom, shower. Gentlemen, can you take me to the second bedroom?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. Mm-hmm. Let me finish this so you go there. Okay. I'll finish this one. You finish that one?
Oh, so Ghis, you'll be...
Yeah, I'll be finishing this one. Dennis will take you down there.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Is that working?
Yes, I understand. Yeah. So we are going into bedroom number 2.
Number 2. Okay,
guys. And it's en suite.
This is also en suite.
Yes.
With cupboard.
Yeah. And it's nice size.
Yeah, it's a good size. You'll see.
Seriously.
Air conditioned.
Yeah. All the rooms have air condition plus the ceiling fans. Mm. And guys, the men are doing the best they can. So just don't worry. We're gonna sort this out. I'm gonna sort this out. So we're gonna tie this up nice, but you need to just see what we are showing you. And again, bathroom, shower, good to go. Nice size bed.
Okay, bedroom number 3.
Bedroom number 3. Mm-hmm. So guys, the 2 bedrooms are identical. Yeah. It's the same size. And again, AC plus ceiling fan. I think your guests will be quite comfortable in here.
Yes.
Right? And
All the rooms have curtains.
Oh yes, they'll see the curtains and all of that. Right, guys, shower as usual, nice and clean. Dennis, let me ask you this question. Read the Airbnb. It's a 3-bedroom,
Yes.
3 bedrooms. But if someone or a couple only wants 2 bedroom,
Yes.
it will be priced accordingly
Yes.
for 2 bedrooms.
Yes.
I think that's wonderful.
Yeah.
So it's minimum 2 bedrooms.
Minimum 2 bedrooms.
They want 2 bedrooms.
That's it. 3-bedroom.
That's it.
House.
And this space can accommodate how many persons in a 3-bedroom?
6.
6.
6 people.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
We're going to the balcony. Let me step aside and you direct me to the balcony, please.
Cuckoo, how's it going?
No, Bab, we want to go to the balcony.
Don't forget the balcony.
I'm right. I'm on it.
Show you the balcony.
Okay, Chase, I'm on it. Oh.
Nice balcony.
Guys, this is lovely.
Nice one.
This is lovely. And it's quite cool. Yes, it's late. You know, it is what it is. But let me capture, just I want to capture the full length, if I can, of the balcony, right?
Nice one.
And I'm coming this size, guys, to show you so you can actually see, you know. You can just come up here with your tea or your wine, whatever beverage you like, kick back, have a chat, laugh, chill, relax, and enjoy.
Enjoy.
And with the master bedroom, you actually, when you pull the slides here from the master bedroom, you can actually see that view. Wonderful. I'm going to head down now, Ghis, and look at the kitchen.
The master bedroom is now all done.
Ah, so you need to get paid? Ghis, I still maintain we need some estrogen in here.
That's it.
Okay. Take me to the kitchen, please.
Let's go to the kitchen.
So guys, let me show you this other little area right here. You know, once you come up these flight of stairs, it's rather quite spacious. It's really a nice size. So onwards down.
Yeah, Dennis, have you finished the 3rd bedroom? Yeah.
Guys, Dennis is working.
Dennis is working too. Everybody's busy. We're expecting the guest. There's the kitchen.
Ready for the kitchen?
Yeah, we're expecting
Okay,
the guest. So
nice.
we got everything good. Microwave,
Yeah, and your fridge.
water for the guests,
Yes.
everything to cook.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Washing machine.
Get to see this place as well. Very nice place for the evening.
Oh, there's your light back there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is like where they can, you know, if they want to hang certain things on the clothesline.
For smokers.
Oh, you're a smoker, no.
The smokers, they can
Okay,
stay
but
here.
you're saying if you have smokers, they are
Yeah,
allowed, and this is a smoking zone.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, smokers, you'll be happy. You'll be happy, smokers. So, guys, this is it for the kitchen. As again, it's quite a nice size. Ghis,
Yeah.
we're wrapping up here now. Anything you want to say to the global space? Sell the 3-bedroom Airbnb a little bit more. Add something on.
Just come. Nice place, nice workers, clean place. What else do you need? Just come.
Thank you, Ghis. I appreciate it. Guys, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you. May I say, God bless.